Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 different meals that you can use to help with your weight loss, fitness journey, and yeah, they're super quick, super filling, and customizable. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with this protein oatmeal. So what you see here is me adding almond milk. This is the brand I use today. Here are my oats. You are going to need a pinch of salt, some vanilla extract, and honey. Now for taste, add a scoop of peanut butter. Trust me, it's going to be really delicious. And some cinnamon if you really want some sweetness, or even some brown sugar, just a little bit. It's worth it. Treat yourself. And of course, it's not protein oatmeal without some protein. This is the protein I like by Orgain. It's vegan, plant-based protein, and we're going to use 1 scoop of that. Now, me and oatmeal always have a love-hate relationship. As you can see, I overboiled the milk, so I had to start over. But you want to boil 1 cup of the almond milk. And once that starts boiling, add in a pinch of the salt, some of the vanilla extract, and half a cup of the oats. Here I'm adding the peanut butter to the bowl that I will later on add the oatmeal to. So essentially you just want to let that all boil until the oats get really soft, or whatever texture you may like. Later on, when it cools down a little bit, I add in the 1 scoop of protein. You also might want to add some water just to get that protein really mixed into the oatmeal so it's not like a dry, chalky taste. Top it off with some of this honey. I just want to say kudos to all of you who make meal prep videos. Recording in the kitchen is just a catastrophe. So this is a really messy video, but I promise you the meals are really delicious and good for you. Now don't forget the peanut butter at the bottom of the bowl. Mixing that all together, like, I thought it was gross at first, but when I finally made it with the peanut butter, I don't know what it does, but it just works together. Try it out. Let me know if you like it, guys. It's really good. Here I am topping it with just a little bit of brown sugar and some cinnamon, and that's basically the first meal of the day for me. This is a good hefty portion of oatmeal. It really helps. I love this on leg day because it keeps me really full and like I just feel strong. So here we are, a good start of the day, because we're already getting that 1 scoop of protein in there, and protein is like my favorite macro and the best macro to grow muscle and just keep you full so you're not overeating all day. So yeah, here's my oatmeal breakfast dance. Okay, now this is my favorite meal. This is the salmon bowl. I know you guys have probably seen them going around Instagram and TikTok. Super delicious. I'm going to show you guys how I make mine. So this is some avocado spray that I like to use, avocado oil spray. I got this can from Costco, and I just also showed you I think just 1 big piece of salmon that I cut up into different chunks. Here's some already cooked jasmine white rice. Some of the toppings I love are some green onion. You also need some cucumber, give it a little crunch, a little taste, and of course some avocado, which really brings it all together. This meal is pretty straightforward and easy as well. You just want to fry up some of the salmon, pan fry it, or I know a lot of people like to use the air fryer. Lately, I just haven't been feeling the air fryer, so I've just been putting everything on the pan. So you can do it that way, or you can put it in the oven. However you like to cook your salmon. While that's cooking, I'm gonna clean off these cucumbers with this fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's, which I highly recommend, by the way. It just helps you clean, you know, all the bad gook off your fruits and vegetables. So over there, I'm cutting up the cucumber. This day I used 2 cucumbers because I just really like that crunch that it gives. Here I'm weighing out the rice that I already cooked into my bowl. This scale I got from Amazon, I highly recommend, you know, if you're starting off on your weight loss fitness journey, whatever that may be for you, to get a scale, measure out your food, see how much you're supposed to be eating, see how much if you're, you know, overdoing it with the rice or whatever. So that's definitely comes in handy. Here I'm just looking at the salmon, making sure it's cooked thoroughly, flipped it over a few times. I do like my salmon pretty, what is the word? Not, I don't know, hard. Fried hard. Blackened? Is that the word? Blackened. I like my salmon blackened, please. And at this point, you just kind of assemble everything together. I have the plate of rice, I put the salmon, the cucumber, and then I top it off with the avocado and some seaweed. These seaweed chips I also got from Costco, but you can get seaweed chips pretty much anywhere at this point. I've definitely been seeing them, and they come in different flavors as well, but this is just the original version from Costco. It comes in like a pack of like 20 of these little bags, so definitely comes full. But I like to just grab a few just to put on top, and it just all goes together. It's really good. It is a really pretty bowl as well. Of course, for seasoning, I like to use everything but the bagel seasoning on top of this, salt and pepper, the usual. And the sauce is what really brings this bowl together. Now there's tons of different sauces you can put on top of your salmon bowl, but I like the yum yum sauce. This is just a typical, you eat it with sushi usually kind of sauce. And this is basically just a sushi bowl. So I love drizzling some of that on top. If you're, want a lighter option, I would probably maybe do like a sugar-free kind of stir fry sauce or something like that. That's a little less, less sugar, less calories, but a little drizzle of yum yum sauce, that's how I like to top it off. And boom, don't forget the green onion as well. And this is delicious, you guys. So this is kind of how I assemble it. I take like a little seaweed chip, and I put everything on top like a little taco, roll it up, and pop it in your mouth, and it is so good. Like, looking at this, I might make this today. I might make this again. Yeah, definitely. Try it out, guys. Let me know if you like it. For our final meal, we're gonna make a cauliflower stir fry. So we got this cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's, some broccoli or any vegetable you really like, and some garlic, of course, and our toppings are gonna be soy sauce, the less sodium one, or you can use liquid aminos, same idea, and some pure sesame oil. Now, what I really like about cauliflower rice is that it's super quick and easy to make, and of course, because it's made out of cauliflower, it's not as heavy on the carbs. So it's definitely a really good, like, end of the day kind of meal. You don't want anything too heavy. It's pretty light, and it's easy to flavor. Whatever flavoring you put on cauliflower rice, it will automatically absorb and taste just like that flavoring. So I just put it in the pan just for a few minutes. I put the broccoli in the microwave, and this chicken I've already chopped up and grilled earlier. So here's some chicken breast, and I'm adding a little bit of onion into the cauliflower, just kind of seasoning it up. Super simple meal, super quick, which is the whole point. You can't have a weight loss fitness journey and be stressing out about your meals. So here's the broccoli fresh out of the microwave. I throw that into the pan, chop it up some. Now we're gonna add the chicken and the soy sauce. When I tell you guys, this meal is just super simple but flavorful, delicious. It's usually my go-to. I used to eat this almost every single day, and I slimmed down pretty quick. It has everything you need in it. The veggies, the protein, a little carb. Good to go. I think the key for meal prepping is really bulk meal prepping. So as you guys saw, I had a lot of salmon already cut up. I had the chicken already done. Rice was already done. And we just kind of throw these meals together with different flavoring and variety, and you're good to go. So here it is, the chicken, the cauliflower, the broccoli, seasoned. Dabbed it off with some of the sweet chili sauce, super sweet. Don't eat a lot of it, it's pretty high in sugar, and boom! End of the day, cauliflower stir fry, boogie dance. Super delicious, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Join the family. I'm Nelia. I have a lot of fitness and hair videos, more to come. So I hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.